What's up, you guys? Taking a break from editing for today to go hang out with some friends and do something kind of fun to one of my cars. Now, as you guys know, I have 3 cars. I have the Civic, I have the Soarer, and then I have this, which just kind of sits out here because the nice weather is here and there's really no reason to drive it, and the Civic has AC, the Soarer has AC, and this thing doesn't. So just kind of sits around doing nothing. Every now and then I use it to grab stuff and, you know, transport things here and there, but most of the time it just sits here. And today we're gonna put it to some good use. So the whole real reasoning as to why I bought this car was so that I could have something all-wheel drive and semi-reliable for the winter, because in Massachusetts and the Northeast in general, we get pretty rough winters, and I didn't want to have to rely on the Civic or the Soarer to get me around just because those were still projects. So I went and picked up this car for, I think, $700. It's got almost 200,000 miles on it. The brakes are shot, muffler's gone, struts are gone, but we're gonna have some fun with it today. Before we really get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that my merch is officially live. I did a full restock on everything that I have supplied before, air fresheners, all the slap stickers, and I also did 2 new sticker designs and a bunch of different colors as well. So if you guys are interested, if you guys wanna help out the channel, be sure to check out the link in the description. It would help me out a ton. And now, let's head to the shop, because I got some friends there waiting for me. We're gonna get started on this. I already have one of these today, but why not a second? Thank you very much. You too. Let's go see the boys. Could you believe someone gave me a thumbs up in this thing at Wicked Big Meat? That's funny. We got the fucking lineup out here, huh?
So are we actually gonna do this?
We're actually gonna do this. You got the natty light.
This video is
so
sponsored by Natter Days.
I wish.
Unfortunately, they're not, but we can drink them.
Natty light, hit me up. Anyways, we got a full house here today. Hi, Brian.
Hello.
How are you?
Tired.
Oh, I bet. Brian drove all the way up from New Jersey earlier today, but this is the last time that you're gonna see the Subaru like this. She gonna be a truck.
What are you doing about the glass, Mike?
I don't know. What do you think I should do about the glass?
Nate wants to smash it.
Oh, of course Nate wants to smash it. Nate loves smashing things. So the way that I have seen this done before is you would pretty much hack off everything from here all the way to this pillar here and up. So everything from here back will be gone. Hi, Nate.
Hi.
Why do you have a hammer?
Because that's going to go through there so you can actually chop it off.
Nate.
Not right now. Not right now.
Hold on.
I got to get a wind up.
We're not ready yet. We're trying to avoid.
We haven't even planned this, Nate. What the
We're trying to
I've been
avoid.
planning it in my head all day.
You want to take the hatch off first?
hatch off.
All right. So
That's the easiest thing to do right now.
we've been kind of contemplating how to actually go about this for the past like 5 minutes or so. I'd like to keep the front section of it, this portion here, and kind of just follow the front doors. So pretty much cut from here over, and then everything here back just kind of gets removed. We'll put these windows down so that they're inside the door, so that's not a big issue, but this glass is most likely gonna have to come out. And
I want it to come out violently.
we can do that, just not in front of where our cars park.
Okay, cool.
Okay,
See?
cool.
See? He said it. He said it.
Who said anything about a clean install? Doesn't have to be clean. I paid $750 for this thing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Look at this thing.
This thing's gonna literally rip.
Oh my God. Shot.
How's your hole?
That's actually the paint from the Volkswagen. You wouldn't even notice though.
No, you wouldn't.
Same.
No, we need that. We need that. We need that.
We need that.
Put that back. Put that back. Put that back.
We're starting off with the easy stuff. We're just taking out the inside trim around the top violently. There's no right way or wrong way to do this.
Fired a few cars out in my day.
Okay, Tommy.
Brother. Put it down in the comments if you want to see a Nismo Subaru Outback truck.
So, in the meantime, while we're all figuring stuff out and just trying to get all this stuff done, a little bit of update on everything that's been going on. Pierce got a new car. Super, super clean Audi S4. thing was taken care of very, very well from the previous owner, who was actually a cop. He was a super nice guy. We drove out and looked at it and drove it, and thing's rad. Steve's E36 is finally out and back on the road, and this thing is looking absolutely gorgeous. Fresh respray on it in the factory green, looks awesome. Pierce's other car, his 82 or 80 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck, got a turbo install on it and is now a turbo diesel. So this thing is pretty fun and blows a lot of coal and smoke and stuff. And look at these guys. They've been wanting to do this all day. They're just going to town. What are you doing without me? Nate, if you want to violently remove something.
Hey, Fry.
What's that?
The hood struts.
Hell fucking yeah!
That's Nate's beer.
That is not working whatsoever. Oh, our boy. How much you think that weighs? Good.
1/3 of we throwing it? I feel like you guys want to. Oh God, I'm in the wrong spot.
That looks like a good jump for a dirt bike that Pierce definitely didn't just buy. Definitely didn't just pick that up. So what are your thoughts before you hit this gnarly jump here?
With a helmet, of course.
I wonder if he'd hit it better from the other way. Would you hit it better from the other way?
We're gonna try both.
All right. You look pretty cute up there, Brian. Really shows off the dirt on my lens. Yeah, going from this way is definitely better. What the fuck is that? That's dope. Oh. Yo, you try to catch some air. Get those tires. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a shit box.
I'm gonna water into it.
Just give it a quick nyap, a little quick nyap.
I'm not sure where we're gonna cut. So where are we going with the taillight situation?
They'll just friggin' stay right there, dude. What do you mean?
I don't know what I mean.
Alright, let's just fucking do it. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Attack it from a different angle. I think you gotta get like a line.
Dude, how many points? Like, this doesn't have like side curtain airbags or anything.
So, we're gonna disconnect the battery, just to kind of stop all electrical.
2JZ, no shit.
All right, so battery's disconnected. Now back to cutting. We decided to just cut the roof rack right off. That way it's just out of the way of things.
Got the roots out.
Yeah.
Now remember, these are real precision cuts, so be sure to mark where you put them. Ah, it's really hot. Okay.
Yo! Hell yeah! Just the guy we were waiting for. What's going on? How's this thing? This thing's fucking cool, dude.
I did about 400 miles today.
Wow. This is cool.
Fun enough.
This is definitely cool.
No, I went to Connecticut to pick up some brakes. So
It's rad.
Doing stuff.
awesome.
So Liam here has done this before.
And it's currently street legal. It's still being driven.
There you go. Yeah, hopefully we can make this thing street legal and Liam can have some fun fucking this one up.
We're doing a spectacular job.
can never get that fucking
Motherfucker, my coffee! You did this when you did your with Outback.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you
it makes a lot
put
less
this
of a
over, and then when you smash it, it doesn't go in it. Very smart.
I like to think I am.
Hell yeah! Whoop whoop. Oh hey. Hi. Hey. Hi. All right, so I guess the next move is smash the glass. Nate's been wanting to do this for a while.
Oh my god! Where'd it go? Oh my god, Nate, you don't flex like that.
All right, well, there's your example of the Vicor stuff and why it works. And
We're gonna need to go to
this looks great.
We're gonna need to go to
Oh, you can hear it.
Sorry.
You can hear it. Crack'em-ling. Oh, Jesus!
Look at their fuse.
I'm sorry.
My beat! My beat! Hell yeah, give it a hand. Oh! Perfect.
Grab all the. Oh no, you can.
Yeah, right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. One more.
Go, buddy.
All right.
Hey!
There we go.
Oh my god! Hang on, Liam. Let's get after it.
Hold on, Sally. Hold on. Wait a fucking minute. Wait a fucking minute.
No, give us a
It's all good. We're good. Look at this! He's got the roof rack over there.
Like, what the fuck are you gonna do with this?
I don't know, sell it.
Link in bio.
300 bucks.
Hey,
Right
link in bio.
So now that the roof is off, we're trying to figure out what to do with this, and Liam says that you can take this apart
Making it
and
more
make this a
safe.
lot easier. We're planning on just cutting the glass section off and everything and just utilizing the lights, and then that can just mount back up and we can weld that in place. But that'll be we'll weld it another time. We're still in the process of cutting this up, but we figured that we'd load the family up in the little family van, and we'll take her out for a little spin, see how it feels, and if it flexes any different than it did before. All right, so right now we are just cleaning out the inside of it just because it's full of glass. And then once it's all cleaned out, we'll take it out for a drive. We'll see how it is. Took it around the shop a lot a little bit, but want to take it out for real.
Pulled up to the club with my roof gone.
Like, I think I'm on glass.
Hi, Charlene.
Hi.
That was
She's like, oh my god.
that was our landlord. It's funny because she saw me drive in with a roof, and now she saw me leave without a roof.
Please don't roll this thing over.
First off, It honestly feels the same. Oh, no it doesn't. It feels weird. There is definitely some flexing going on here. I'm trying to take these bumps slow, but these blown struts don't help at all. So we're on our way to a parking lot that's legit 500 feet away. And we'll get some rolling photos in the parking lot.
It feels fucking sick.
This is so nuts.
Let's make a wish, take a chance, take a change, and break away.
That's so good, dude.
That's a wrap. We cut the roof off the Subaru and made it a truck. Well, kind of. It's still got a little bit more work to do, and I want to paint it and lift it or slam it. Leave it down in the comments what you guys think. The Soarer is my nice looking car. The Civic is my soon to be fast kind of car, and this... Huh? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. And this is now my truck slash maybe future off-road vehicle, so we'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it and just kind of hanging out with all the friends and doing stupid stuff to cheap cars. But if you did enjoy it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Be sure to go down in the description, like I said in the beginning of the video, and check out the merch because I just released that. And if you guys want to help support the channel, be sure to go in the description and check out the merch. But that is it. We're just hanging at this point. We'll probably go get some food and stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.
I just got impregnated.